Today, guys, we're just me and Miku. I was talking about. Okay, sorry, guys, I got log. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. I'm Miku for Wano, so I'm probably just telling business that Miku. Um. Um. Oh, hi, Miku. Nice to meet you again. I really missed you. I don't know why. You're so annoying. No, I can't. Where are you? Okay. Oh, do you see my hand? Why are you looking at my hand? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get this for you. Oh, just pick up the door. Pick up the door. You're not having this, but you have to. No, get it. I'm not gonna use this for you. Here. You're happy when you see a duck, but when you pick it up, you look like you didn't see something. Okay, I'm gonna put this rubber ducky right here, and she has to find it. Okay, I have her, and I think we're just need some chickens. I need her for one all, cause I can't actually pick it up chickens. I'm so sorry. Okay, I just need to pat you. Okay, I just need to pat you. There. Okay, you need your hat. Come here. Give me your hand. You stay here. Oh my gosh. Miku. Miku, I'm not in the mood hugging right now, so don't hug me when I'm so disturbed of you. So I'm gonna get this, and you're gonna have it. Take it. Okay, you got your hat on. And we need something. Okay. Come here. Miku. Her panties, Miku. Come here. Oh my gosh, Miku, why are you not following me? Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Miku! I said do not hug. Miku, no! Do you know how much you're annoying right now? Come here. You're not being your responsibility to not follow me. You see the bag? You see the bag? Oh. Oh my gosh. I just lost my head. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna crouch and get that. Do you see this bag? Do you know this bag? It's probably your bag. Here. Can you carry all of the flowers in here? So I need you to do that. You need to catch the chicken. But we really need to get him. Come here. Come here. You're gonna get that one. Okay, put it in your bag. Put it in bag. And we probably need this in the bag. If we're bored and we not need this, can we put it in a bag? Put it in a bag. Okay, you're ready. Come here. You have no manners. You have no manners, woman. Come here. You're not having a responsibility to not follow me. You have no promise to not follow me. You get your horse in your own. We need to jog. We don't need to run. Cause sometimes sometimes when Joy runs, we can ride. Cause he's so fast. I can't even control Joy if he's running. There's that random cactus. Now he's just gonna stop. So you better need to behave, okay? Just catch the chicken. I don't need you to point, but I need to point at the chicken so you can get the chicken. Do I need the knife though? I don't need the knife. Okay. But I mean it's for fun. Okay, you're looking at his butt. No else. Oh, there's a chicken. Okay. We're here. We're here. We're here, Miku. And you need to come here. Come here. Get up. Come here. Do you see those chickens? No, you're not having the bag. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Bruh. Give me the fucking bag. Okay, we have the photo. Okay. Now you have it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm taking the photo and you take this. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo. You took it away from me, girl. You know what? You're leaving the thing in there. Your toys. You're leaving it. You literally took the hand of me. Okay. Point. Get it. Get it. Okay. He's doing so well. Oh, she got it. Come here, Miku. Come here. Miku, why are you so stressed? Mickey, I told you to follow me if you're holding the chicken like a roast. No, we're not having this. Okay. Yeah, and no photos for now. I'm gonna leave it in here. And I hope someone follows. Okay, we need to take a photo of it. If someone finds it, we need to take a photo. Cheese, bitch. Cheese with your new chicken. Okay. There, and I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. Come here now, cause we're so nice. It's so nice. Come here. Come. Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Where's the fucking... I'm so lost in your eyes. Come. We're going to the horse. I'm so sorry. I hold you like that. Oh, it's so fucking night. I have the thing. We need to pick your photo in here, and I hope someone follows or follow us. You're not gonna follow me. Get in the fucking horse. It's so fucking night. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really need to get my bright off mice. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. I can't see anything, Miku. We're not getting home. We're not getting home, Miku. I I can't see anything. I can hope for you, Miku. We can find our home. It's so fucking I can't see anything. Oh my, we can't see anything. You know what? This is the ending of our life. This is the really ending of our life, Miku. Yup! It's ending of life. Nope. Nope. I'm going. No.